we done with safari now. Now we are going to Butterfly Park. So we are in front of Butterfly Park, Bannerghatta National Park. This is Naveen and Nanda. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. Come.
Let's
Let us go inside. Sanitize.
just a bit. Enough.
Okay. We are going inside the Butterfly Park. Well, what is this, Nanda?
It's a little map.
So we have three things to see here. One is conservatory dome, exhibition and audiovisual, right? Welcome to the world of winged jewels.
That's the butterflies.
Yes.
Winged jewels, winged jewels. Look, butterflies.
Yeah, everywhere butterflies.
I'm also a butterfly. Flap,
also a
flap,
butterfly.
flap.
If you go further, you can see a big butterfly.
Yeah.
Can you see on the right?
Flap, 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 flap.
You want to be in front of that?
Looks like a demon.
Isn't that?
Yes. What is that? A big butterfly.
See how beautifully they maintain here.
Yeah.
Right? Need to appreciate it.
Hey, look, the trees.
Where?
Flap, 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 flap.
Nanda?
Look, play area. Look.
Play area.
Yes.
We'll go that later, Nanda. You first come. We'll go to the conservatory dome.
Yes. Flap.
See, this is the first attraction here when we come inside. Conservatory dome you can see. So we are going to visit that.
I might not be a
Please continue
six-legged
watching.
insect,
I will
but
show you
I'm
more
still
once we reach
shining
inside.
like a butterfly.
This is the front of the conservatory dome.
I might not have 6 legs, but I'm still a butterfly.
Yeah.
Flap.
See, this is the conservatory dome. Let us go inside.
Yes.
Wow. Close the door. Can we spot? But yeah, we can spot butterflies.
Be quiet, okay? Or else they won't come to us. With that.
See, man. See, this is the dome. Here we can see more than 25 species of butterflies. See this? See this?
In mine.
What is that?
Camouflage. A master of camouflage.
Common mime. Here this is a artificial pond having some fishes inside. Nanda, come. Come, Nanda. See, we have different species of butterflies here inside.
What is that? What is that? The butterfly. What is that?
See,
Wow!
see, while shaking, all are coming out.
Yeah.
It is all in the tree.
Thank you, sir. ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎದ್ದೋಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
So, during the sunlight only these butterflies will come out and fly. Otherwise, it will be taking rest inside. See one, Nanda? Can you see this?
Red.
ಬ್ಲೂ ಟೈಗರ್ ಸರ್.
Blue tiger?
ಟೈಗರ್
Uh-huh.
ರೆಡ್ ಪೆರೆಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Ah.
ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮರ್ಮನ್.
Do you know this? The butterfly begins its life as an egg about the size of the head of a pin, which varies in its size, color, and shape with definite
Everyone
patterns on it.
Everyone knows everyone knows butterfly starts with an egg, a caterpillar, a pupa, then finally a butterfly.
Yeah,
Everyone knows that.
really?
Yeah.
Common grass yellow.
Caterpillar.
See Nanda?
Yes.
Caterpillar.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಕ್ರೋ ಅಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್.
Have you ever seen this, Nanda?
Nope.
You know, but the first time you're
ಇದು
seeing.
ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಗ್ಗಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯೂಪಾದಿಂದ ಆಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
Now we are entering the exhibition.
ಮರ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ.
Here we can spot one. ಇದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂತ?
ಮರ್ಮನ್.
Merman. The Merman, black one.
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮರ್ಮನ್.
It is alive.
ಲೈವ್.
But when the wings tear,
Why
the
it is not flying?
butterfly will die.
ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಪಾದಿಂದ.
Oh, just came out from.
The came out of the pupa?
See, just came out from the pupa. Baby.
ಬೇಬಿ.
How's it, Nanda?
Yeah, I love it. But too bad it's not too colorful, but no problem. It takes some time to fly, right? That's what he's saying.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು breed sir?
ಕಾಮನ್ ಕ್ರೋ ಸರ್.
Common?
ಕ್ರೋ.
Crow. Common
crow.
crow. See,
There
Nanda?
even egg is there. Don't you me
See, I can see. This
Me
is egg.
too. Yeah.
See, Nanda?
Pupas.
ಇದು ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್.
Ah.
ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ಯೂಪಾ ಸರ್. ಕುಕೂನ್.
Oh.
See the color? Yeah,
See the
looks
color?
like
Golden
looks
color.
like a
Golden.
bead. Looks like a
Yeah.
bead. Like
Yeah.
we'll see in dresses and necklaces.
Yeah. Pupa.
ಕ್ಯೂಪಾ. ಇದು ಮರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್.
Oh. Looks like a leaf. ಎಲೆ ಥರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
See, Nanda?
Yes. Look, its legs. Where is that tongue?
Just came out of pupa. About to fly.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೈ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ
Yeah, once it get dry, it will fly. See this? Wow, beautiful.
Common crow.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಕ್ರೋ.
Common crow caterpillar.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್.
Huh.
ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಸೈಡ್.
Caterpillar.
It is moving. See? I think it's about to form a pupa.
Common crow.
ಕಾಮನ್.
See Nanda? Common crow.
Yes.
Caterpillar. Yeah.
ಕ್ಯೂಪಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲರು ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂಪಾ.
It's common crow, caterpillar.
ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್.
Wow, very beautiful.
ಇದು ನಿಂಬೆ ಗಿಡ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Pupa or caterpillar?
Common lime.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಲೈನ್.
Caterpillar.
ಗಿರಿ ಸರ್.
Common lime, caterpillar.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
That's a caterpillar. It's also pupa.
See the color? Lime.
Yeah, like a mango slime.
Yeah. Very nice.
ಕರ್ಬೇ ಗಿಡ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಮರ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
So, this is the common mormon.
Mormon.
Caterpillar of common mormon. You can see here.
Right?
We cannot differentiate the leaf color and the caterpillar, right? See the design, very nice. Nanda, can you see this?
Yes. Can you see the caterpillar? Yes, looks like.
Common mormon.
ಸದರ್ನ್ ಬಡಿ
Oh,
ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಇದೆ.
See the color of this butterfly. This is the stuffed one. The red and yellow flag of Karnataka represent this color.
Same flag.
Same flag. See this?
This is male, sir. This is female, sir.
Okay.
Female is more beautiful than the male actually.
Very beautiful one. Yeah. See this?
Atlas moth.
So big.
Fascinating world of moths.
A moth. We are seeing this, right? Now first it will be a silkworm, then it will be a moth.
Very nice. See the difference? Can you see the difference
Yes.
between moths and butterflies?
Butterflies are
ಇದು
more
ಮಾತ್
beautiful than
ಮಾತ್ಗೆ ಆಂಟೇನೋ ಎಲೆ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅದು
See the difference. You can make out the difference on the moths and butterflies, right? So usually we used to call this as butterflies, right? But this is not a butterfly. This is moths, right? See, these are all insects, not butterflies. These are all
insect.
insects, grasshoppers, bugs. See the bugs?
Yeah. I feel so weird after seeing this. Looks so
Butterflies and
creepy.
moths, wasps. Oh, dragonfly is also coming under the category of wasp, right? See them, these are all different type of butterflies.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Now we are going to see the scorpion. Shami, your zodiac sign.
Oh, is that?
Your zodiac sign.
ಅದು ಮರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Termites. Those white things
One
are
of the babies.
ಬೇಬಿ
baby scorpions.
Deadly poisonous one, you know.
I don't want to. I don't
Deadly
want to
poisonous
see.
one.
Ah, oh my god.
See? See, this is signature spider. Can you see this?
They look so big. More creepier than the spiders I see at home. Wait, is that a grasshopper, the green one?
Yeah.
ಅದು ಊಟ ಸರ್ ಊಟ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Oh,
It will eat
there's
that.
even a grasshopper here. Millipede.
Millipede.
Wait, here?
Millipede, see? How he's taking
No, I don't.
millipedes. See this? Like
Yeah,
train.
they have legs in the bottom, but we can't
See?
see.
Train. Millipedes.
I feel like something is on my dress now. That's what I always feel when I see creepy things.
See millipede. Beetles. Beetles and insects. Grasshopper. We can't make out, right? It looks like the grass. Can you see this?
What? So big!
It is big, but
ಇದರ ಬಿಗ್
it won't do anything, right?
I don't like grasshoppers,
It won't do anything.
but I still hate it.
Why? See, here also you have.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟ ಸರ್ ಅದು
Oh,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇದು
now we'll go and watch movie, Nanda.
Movie?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So here they have the movie for 20 minutes in English and Kannada. If you want to watch the movie about the life cycle of a butterfly, you can watch that. We are not watching because of the time constraint. We are exiting now from the exhibition hall. Done, Nanda?
Yes.
That's all, right? Nanda, how's it?
Awesome.
Pupa, caterpillar, butterflies, everything you saw, right?
Egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly.
See, this is the conservatory dome. This is the dome. We done with butterfly park. Now we are going to
Zoo.
done with butterfly park. Now we are going to the zoo. We are stopping this episode here. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
day.